Hey, have you ever thought about how much time a reliable alarm can give you to save lives during a fire? Introducing the Notifier NBG-12LX, a smart manual pull station combining fast response with total reliability. A few key features are dual action activation, prevents false pull, bicolor LED visible through the handle, key reset without triggering alarm, flash scan or clip, addressing for pinpoint accuracy, non-coded and ADA compliant, supports up to 159 devices per loop, durable industrial housing. To activate, just push and pull, simple and effective. Perfect for high traffic areas like businesses, hospitals, schools, factories, and hotels. This pull station, you don't just activate an alert, you tell it exactly where the danger is, helping response be faster. Get your Notifier NBG-12LX at our website. Visit firealarm.com and upgrade your fire safety today. Firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.